If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error 34, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step on web and PC. This error usually means the post, profile, or page you're trying to open either no longer exists, was deleted, or is being blocked by a browser issue. So before you assume the problem is on your end, we're going to check the most common causes and walk through the fastest fixes. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Alright, let's jump right in. First, verify the tweet link. If you're trying to open a specific post and X shows error 34, the most common reason is that the original post has been deleted, the account was removed, or the link is no longer valid. A simple way to test this is to copy the link and ask a friend to open it on their device. If they get the same error, that usually confirms the post is gone and there's nothing to fix on your side. If it opens for them but not for you, then the issue is more likely connected to your browser or account. Next, check whether your account has any restrictions. Sometimes users see this error when their account is locked, limited, or temporarily flagged by X. One way to check is by visiting a shadow ban detection tool and searching your username. If you notice any account restriction, the best move is often to wait at least 24 hours and try again, because temporary rate limits and restrictions can sometimes clear on their own. If you've been doing a lot of refreshing, logging in and out, or rapid actions, X may temporarily limit your access. Now, let's test the page in a private or incognito window. This is a really useful step because it helps us figure out whether the problem is being caused by your browser session. On your PC, open an incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox or Edge. Then go back to X and sign in again. If the page works normally in private mode, then your main browser likely has a cache, cookie, or extension issue. If it still shows error 34, then we need to dig a little deeper. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated browser data can break pages on X and make posts fail to load properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In your browser settings, choose cookies and cached images and files. Then set the time range to all time. Clear the data, close the browser completely, and reopen X. This one step fixes a lot of strange loading problems, especially if the site has been acting buggy for a while. If the issue continues, disable any browser extensions and VPNs. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and VPNs can sometimes interfere with the scripts X needs to load content correctly. Turn them off temporarily, then refresh the page and test again. If the error disappears, re-enable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. In many cases, a single extension is enough to trigger the problem. Also, make sure your browser is fully up to date. Older versions of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari can sometimes create compatibility issues with modern websites like X. Updating your browser only takes a moment, and it can eliminate a surprising number of loading errors. While you're at it, try signing out and signing back in once more after the update. If you're still stuck, try a different device or a different network. Open the same link on your phone using mobile data or test it on another computer. If it works somewhere else, then the issue is likely local to your browser, network, or device. If it fails everywhere, that strongly suggests the post has been deleted or the account is unavailable. And one final reminder, if error 34 appears while viewing a post, profile, or timeline, it is often not a permanent problem with X itself. In a lot of cases, it simply means the content is gone. But if it happens on pages that should definitely exist, the browser cleanup steps, private window test, and extension checks are your best fixes. So to recap, verify the link, check for restrictions, test in incognito, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions and VPNs, and then try another browser or device if needed. One of those steps usually solves it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want me to make more quick fixes for X, Twitter, and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.